So to log into the student tutorial, you just open the Chromebooks, they'll power on. You click on the apps button once. You click on Nctest once. And once that screen has fully loaded, you will click on the bottom right square with the gears, which is the tutorial. And once it loads, you will have a screen where you can have the students choose the test. So if you're doing 6th through 7th grade, you choose 6 to 7. They could change these things if they want to. You click log in, and this is where you start reading the script and they follow along with the script. And that's it.